Hey everybody, kind of some shadowy there. Welcome to the video, welcome to the farm. Today, basic pasture maintenance. It sounds boring, but it's kind of cool and it's definitely necessary. Stick around, hit that subscribe button, hit that thumbs button. It costs you nothing. All right, what are we doing? Well, I've got the calves on the other side of this fence. That's right there. You can see the kind of weed line. They've been in this one since we put them in pasture a few months ago. We've had a lot of rain and it's done pretty good. It's held up well. But if you look at across there, you can see the weeds, the stuff that they don't want to eat. And I don't make my cows get hungry enough that they eat it. So we're going to take the old Kubota and we're going to mow it off. But before we do that, I'm going to spread some turnip seed. And then I'm going to mow, and that will give us a little extra forage. It helps the soil because they'll rot, break up. And the cows will be back in this lot in a couple months probably. And they should be up and doing pretty well by then when we start getting the fall rains. So let's spread that turnip seed. Just some basic purple turnips, white tops. Get it from our local co-op, $6 a pound. A pound is a lot of turnips. Saved just a few. I got some planted in the garden, but I might want to plant some more. Let's switch you guys to a time lapse and we're gonna mow. That's not too bad. Didn't take too long. Look how good that looks, how green it is. I've only had them off of here about a week. That's not shabby at all. So this will set now. I hope to not put the calves back on it until, I don't know, at least 45 or 60 days if I can help it. That other paddock is pretty good size. Ought to hold them over. They're not very big cows yet. So let's see. 60 days from now be second week of November. Well, give or take a little. But I think it'll look pretty good. I'll definitely bring you guys back in about 30 or 45 days and we'll see how it looks. We'll see if we can find them turnips. They should come up pretty good. With this grass being mowed over top of them, it'll give them some shelter. Next step, got some cleanup, junky old trash, always find stuff in the fence rows. I'm going to take and put the loader on and clean out all this little scrub brush along the fence so it's good and clean. They have no lack of shade, so don't worry about all them little scrubby junky trees going away, because they have shade in the dry lot. They have the loafing shed, and then down here along the bottom part, these big old trees. There's a whole bunch of big old pecan trees and stuff like that, sycamore, all along this bottom end. And it's always shady down here all year round, when they would want shade at least. So looks pretty good. I hope you guys hit that subscribe and like button, and thanks for watching.